In this tutorial, we'll be having a look at Stick and Hat. And Stick and Hat is a Trinity College grade initial piano piece. But Stick and Hat is special because it is also a duet. So we'll be focusing on the candidate part, the part that you should be able to play. And that's why we also have Stick and Hat, because the title tells us we are going to play two things or do two things at once. We have a stick and we have the hat. Let's have a look at the tempo first. The tempo says moderato, and moderato means literally at a moderate pace. So it needs to be in between fast and at a steady walking or slower pace. And we will play 117 crotchet beats per minute. So ta 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 da da ta 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 da da ta. So not too fast, but definitely not slow. Our time signature is 4 crotchet beats per bar, or common time. So we will be counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Our key signature is C major. So we will not be playing any black keys or accidentals. We will only be playing on the white keys. Let's have a look at the first section first, and we're going to do the right hand. So thumb on middle C, and we are going to play fifth finger first. 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3. Notice how fast I played that 2 and that 3. Because we have a quaver, we need to play with a little bit of a faster tempo up to our 4th finger. And we're going to repeat that again. 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3. Now we're going to do 5, 2, again 2, 3, 4, but now 5, 3, and now 5, 4, 3, 2. So the tempo here and the rhythm of those notes are quite important. Whenever you see those joint notes, the quavers, we need to play them faster than the other notes. The left hand is quite easy. It's also a piece that we play with both our thumbs on middle C, so middle C position. And we're going to play with 1 and 4 first. So we're going to go 1 and 4, hold for 4 beats, 1 and 4 again, 1 and 4 one more time because it's a repeat, and 1 and 4 again. Now we're going to do 1 and 5, 1 and 5 again, now 1 and 4, and finally 4, 3, 2. So putting the first section hands together, faster notes, remember to hold on to those notes. Now 1 and 5 and 5, 2, 2 and 4 together, holding on to this note. Now our left hand is going to get a little bit more busy with our right hand that's just going to play long semi-brief notes. Let's have a look at our right hand for section 2 first. So we're going to play 5 and 3, then 3 only, then 5 and 3 again, then 3 only. Now 4, 5, and finally 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. So not too bad, although you might find it difficult to press down the 3rd and 5th finger together. So practice that a few times, trying to not press down any other keys or let the 4th finger go down as well. The left hand is going to do this ostinato, repeating pattern of notes. 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, and again 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. Now 1 and 5. 2 times. There we go. Now 1, 4, 1, 4, and finally 2, 4, 2, 4. Putting your hands together, we need to remember for each 4 notes we play in the left hand, the right hand is just going to be held down before we have to play something else. So, here we go. 4 notes, 3 now only, with 1 and 4. Now 3 and 5 again with 1 and 4. And 3 only. Now, 4 and 1 and 5. 5 and 1 and 5. This part is the trickiest part to put together. It's going to be 3 and 1, 2 and 4, 3 and 1 again, 4 and 4, and finally 5 and 2, holding down for 2, 4. I'm going to do that part again. Putting the whole second section together, hands together. Moving to 5. Now. And now we have the ending, which is a repeat of the first part. 2, 3, 4, 3. But now we need to go up all the way. We're going to go up to the next C above middle C, and we're going to press down 5 and 1 and 4 together, 5 and 1 and 4 again together, and finally we're going to end with 3 and 1 and 4 together. Now there's something else. Once you can play it on middle C position, you are going to move your hands and you're actually going to start on C above middle C position. So we're going to play here, and then at the end where we need to move up again to the other C, we're going to move from this C all the way up to 2 C's above middle C. Look closely. So there's this middle C. We're going to actually start playing on C above that. And at the end, we need to move up for that last spot on C above high C. Let's have a look at dynamics next. So dynamics, we're going to start mezzo forte, medium loud, keeping it medium loud still. Decrescendo, getting softer. Now we have piano with legato, so don't use short notes. Keep your legato going. Nice and soft. The difficult part, crescendo, getting louder. Forte. And decrescendo, starting with mezzo forte for the ending. Moving up to the next C, piano. Piano again, and then pianissimo, PP. As softly as possible, letting all 3 of the notes, 3, 1 and 4 ring but as softly as possible. Holding it down for a little bit longer than 4 beats because we have a pause mark or fermata at the end. Take this one slowly. This one you have to have a lot of coordination for this piece as well. So practice slowly. First know your right hand and left hand quite well. Put them hands together. Look closely at the part on the third line which is difficult to put together. And then also remember that once you know it in middle C position, always remember to start at C above middle C. And for the ending, we move up even higher to that C. So you can actually move your chair. Make sure that you move your chair all the way here. Because we're playing a duet, your teacher will be sitting next to you when you play in any case. So you are going to have to move up in order to play this. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe to my channel and check out any other videos that might be useful to you.